Well, what's up everybody? Still a very bloated Rebel Drifter here, but we're getting better and better as time goes on, hopefully. There was a package that came in a couple of days ago and I really wanted to unbox that real quick because it's been something that has been on the way for quite some time. Now, it is going to be a head, so we have the wig here. And from here on out, we can now open up the head in question. You can feel the bolts already. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's a hex key over here that they put in between, or it just went in between because of shipping regarding the box. And we have some connectors here. And here we go. It's actually a Starpery head with the name Zoe. It's something that I have wanted for quite some time regarding my Roseanne that I have upstairs. So that's also pretty cool. Taking the face shield off. It's a little bit suctioned in. There we go. And here you go. It's a very nice head. I have to check, of course, everything here. There's a little bit of excess silicone on there, but that doesn't really matter. There's a little bit of stuff on there, I think from the hex key, but it is now gone as well. It is a hard head and it doesn't have ROS, but it's kind of like a little bit of a ScarJo lookalike. It's not a one-to-one, of course, but I always like this head from them. I asked them to send me a white Zoe head to go with the Roseanne body that I have upstairs. So let's go upstairs and plop on the head with the wig, see how she looks. Alright, and here we have Roseanne, still upstairs, looking very beautiful as always. Let's see how she looks with the Zoe head. And there you go, plopped on. Now the hair is a little bit staticky, and she does seem to look a lot wider in the face. So maybe with lighting we can probably get it a little bit better. But I do think it's a very cool head. I think she looks the part. Roseanne is of course also a very, very nice looking lady. So yeah, this has been a very short and very simple unboxing and also demo of the Starpery Zoe head. If you want a Starpery lady, you need to go to the Starpery website. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.